You trimmed Apple.
I did.
Tim Cook went all the way to China, and he comes back, and you trim the stock. What's up?
I did, Scott. So, listen, Apple's been the eye of the storm with the kind of tariffs discussion all year. But the stock has jumped since August, up about 20%. I think they're, in some ways, and we talk about this a lot, a victim of their own success. Replacement cycles are approaching 5 years. They had a really strong quarter this past quarter. But for me, I think the real run is going to be next year on that. And demand's been good for the iPhone 17. ASPs are going up, iPhone Air, and the Pro have obviously gone up $100, so I think that'll be accretive for the stock. But as I look forward, I think the real opportunity is when they really start to focus on Siri, which I think they'll start to solve soon, and Apple Intelligence going forward. And I think that iPhone 18 next season will be the one.
Steve Kovach's with us now because, as we said, Tim Cook was in China. iPhone goes on sale there, and by all indications, the early numbers are good because they sold out.
Yeah, that's right. That's the latest headline we got out of China during this trip that Tim Cook was taking, Scott. So that's the iPhone Air. It was actually delayed several weeks because, long story short, there was some kind of regulatory issue around the new kind of SIM card technology they're using. It's on sale today and already selling out, according to reports over there in China. And by the way, the iPhone 17, the cheapest one, the base model, has also been selling like crazy over in China, in part because of those subsidies. So what did we see from Tim Cook this week? Well, he goes on these tours quite often, a couple times a year, usually around these iPhone launches. He's promoting the iPhone 17 lineup, of course, but also playing a little bit politician. He met with some commerce officials over there and promised some more investment in China, but no specifics there. We didn't see anything like we saw Trump a couple months ago give to President Trump. No golden trophies, no promises of hundreds and hundreds of billions of dollars of investment, things like that. It's very vague because at the same time, you have Cook working the other side of the equation to bring less assurances on China and reliance on China for the supply chain. We talk so much about India building more iPhones bound for U.S., and then all these new gadgets that are coming out, excluding the iPhone, are being made in Vietnam. So that's what we're looking for here. And in 13 days from now, Scott, we're going to get earnings. We're going to get our first official look at how this iPhone 17 lineup is performing. To Jason's point, there's a lot of excitement next year, not just because of the Siri stuff, but also keep in mind, Apple has shown this in this cycle. People can get excited about new hardware. That folding phone could be a big hit in the making too, Scott.
All right. Can't wait for the earnings and all the talk around that.
Me too.
Steve, thanks. Kovach.